This is a full Everforest setup on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you how to change your whole system into this clean and calm look. You get the new Everforest dock, the top bar, the icons, the controls, and the full theme for Explorer. I'll also show you the different color styles, the dark mode, the light mode, and how to match every part of your Windows to this Everforest palette. Everything you see here works on the latest Windows 11, and I'll guide you through each step in the simplest way. By the end of this video, your desktop will look exactly like this. Let's start with the tools we will need. First thing you have to do is to search on Google for Everforest Windows 11, and here click on the DeviantArt link over here to get the Everforest theme for Windows 11. So with this, you can just click on download to download the Everforest Windows 11 theme. Once completed, click on open file to open this zip file up and just drag it on your desktop. Once done, you can close everything up and open this folder. Inside this folder, it comes with a whole lot of folders over here. But the first thing we have to do is to get the theme on our Windows. So open the theme folder and copy everything here. Head to your disk PC, click on local disk C, go to Windows, and here look for resources. Click on theme, and here paste everything here. Once done, open Windhoek, and if you don't have Windhoek, you can just search on Google for Windhoek and just download it for yourself. Once you have it, head to this Explore tab, and here search for US Theme Hook and just click on Details and click on Install. Once done, head to your settings and here click on Personalization, go to Themes, and here you are going to see these new Everforest themes added. You can go with any one of them and set it as your default theme. And after that, you are going to see these beautiful icons on your Explorer and other windows. Once you have it, you can close the settings app and here close your Explorer 2 app. Now, head to Explore tab and here search for Resource Redirect and click on Details and install this one too. Click on Settings and here look for Everforest, which is this one by Navy, and click on it and click on Save Settings. And here click on Yes to restart our Explorer. And now when I open my Explorer, you are going to see these beautiful new icons, and this is looking exactly like the Everforest icons, and this is beautiful. Now let's make our Explorer a bit more nicer. Now search online for Explorer Blade Maker, and here you are going to see this GitHub link. Just click on it, scroll down and click on Release over here. Scroll down again and click on the Release S64 to download it. Once you have it, just open it up. And here you are going to see this release folder inside. What I recommend you do is to head to your local disk C and here drag it over here. Once you have it, open it here and here right click on the config.ini and click on edit. Here change the R over here to 45, the green to 53, and also the blue to 59, and lastly the A to 50. So this is it. Once you've made these changes, just click on it and save, and now you can close it up. Now right click on the register.cmd and run as administrator. Click on run, and here when I open my file explorer again, you are going to see that it's now looking a bit cooler with this beautiful acrylic background, and this is beautiful. Now to elevate the look, we have to search online again for a tool called Start All Back, and here with this we can download it from the official website over here. Scroll down and just click on download to download it up on your computer. Once you have it, just click on open to open the installer.exe file. Here what I'll do is to install for everyone, and with this we can see our taskbar has been changed to this new look. And if you see this pop up, just close it up, and here what you have to do is to open the Everforest folder again, go to Start All Back, and here copy these two folders. Once done, head to your local disk, click on local disk C, here click on Program Files and look for Start All Back over here. Open it up and just paste the two folders over here. Click on Continue to add it. Once done, you can just close it up again, and here right click on your start menu and just click on Properties. Now head to the welcome section and click on Prop 11. Click on Start menu and here select Everforest, and here the start menu you can go with a small or large, and they all look pretty cool, but I'll go with a large. And with that, click on taskbar, and here click on this new start menu icon, and it looks pretty cool. Now here, make sure the icon you change it to small to give it a small icons on your taskbar. And with this, I'm going to change the taskbar location to the top to be at the top section. Here I'm going to leave these two the same. Click on the centered taskbar, and here I'll make it separately from the start menu to make the start menu stand on its own at the corner. Now I'll just check the dynamic transparency to make it more nicer with a dynamic look. Now at the three icon section, you can turn off the ones you don't want it. So if let's say this icon is on, you can just click on it and just turn it off to give you a cleaner look. Once done, head to Explorer tab, and here select V7 command bar, and make sure you also check colorize everything to make it look beautiful. So with this, we get this clean Explorer, and it's looking very beautiful. Now the last thing we are going to do is to get that beautiful dock, and with that, open your browser again, and here search for Nexus dock, and here look for the rain step Nexus dock, and here click on it. Once here, just scroll down and click on the download to download the dock. Now click on open to open the setup, and here run the Nexus setup.exe file, and here we can close everything. Here just click on OK, which is going to open the default installer setup, and just click on next, and click on install to install it on your computer. Once done, just click on finish to launch this dock on our computer. Now I'm going to link this backup file in the comment below. Just download it up, which is going to be a backup for the Nexus dock, which is going to give you that beautiful Everforest theme. So with that, just click on this Nexus button, and here you are going to see the setup. But before that, open this folder up, and you are going to see Everforest here. Just open another Explorer, and here what you have to do is click on document, and here you are going to see rain step over here. Double click on it, and here click on Nexus. Once here, just move it side by side to each other, and here with the Everforest, move it into the background folder, and here with the indicator, move that one into the indicator folder. Once done, you can just open the Everforest folder again, which is the theme, and you are going to see Everforest extra icons. Go to your this PC, look at the C, and drag it over here. Okay, once done, open it up, and you are going to see a lot of icon packs over here, which is going to make this Everforest theme good. So I'll just close everything, and here head to the advanced section, click on restore, and now go to your desktop and open the Everforest backup folder, and just select Everforest dock and click on open. You are going to see this beautiful dock at the bottom, but the appearance is not looking good. So here what I'll do is to just head to themes, and here look for Everforest. Once you find it, just click on it and click on apply, which is going to give you this beautiful theme, and click on OK to save. Now the last thing we have to do is to just right click anywhere on our desktop and hide our desktop icons to give it a very clean and calm look. But if you want to change your wallpaper, you can just open the theme folder up again. Here head to the Windows 11 themes, and here click on Everforest. Here you are going to see some wallpaper folder over here. Just open it up, and there are a whole lot of beautiful wallpapers over here, which you can set as your background wallpaper to elevate that beautiful look. Now when you head to your personalization and themes, you are going to see there are also some white themes over here, which you can also try it for yourself. And if you can realize, our Windows cursor has been changed to this beautiful cursor, and this is pretty cool. So this is it, and this is how the Everforest theme looks, and it comes with a nice dock here and a nice start menu at the top, which is looking beautiful. Now let me show you how you can remove this theme on your computer. To remove it, just head to your Windows settings. Now click on apps, click on installed apps, and over here look for start all back. Click on the three dots over here and click on uninstall to uninstall start all is back. Once uninstalled, look for Nexus and also click on it and uninstall. Click on OK, and here it's telling you it's active, so just right click on it. Here click on exit. Click on exit Nexus and click on yes. Once done, just click on OK again, and you are just going to click on yes to uninstall it on your computer. Once done, just click on OK and we are done. Now open your file explorer and here open your local DC. Click on the releases and here right click on the uninstall.cmd and run as administrator. Click on run to run it and click on OK. Now open your settings again and here click on personalization and click on team, and here select any team which is not the Everforest team. And now open your file explorer again, go to local DC, click on Windows, look for resources and here click on teams, select everything here and click on delete and click on continue. Now if it shows like this, just click on this one and just click on skip to skip the rest, which is the default Windows team, and here close it up. Open Rainhawk and here remove the resource redirect and also remove the US team hook, which is going to clear everything. And now you can just open your task manager and here restart your Windows Explorer, and that's it guys. Everything is cleaned up and everything is looking like how it was, and this is the default theme and this is beautiful. So if you really enjoy my videos, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also like this video, and I'll see you in my next one.